Hello, good morning. This is Nas from NB Network Lessons. Hope everyone's doing okay and in high spirits. This is basically practice session number 2 for solving quadratic equation problems. This course or this section is particularly designed for high school students, but everybody is welcome to view. Thank you. So let me go ahead and write. I've already explained what exactly a quadratic equation is. So if you need to understand what a quadratic equation is, you need to go back and check out my practice session number 1. But essentially, quadratic equation is an equation which has a second degree. Okay, so this coefficient right here defines the degree. So let's go ahead and write a problem and see if we can solve it. Let's say x squared minus x minus 44 is equal to 12. Let's go ahead and see if we can solve this quadratic equation and find the factors. So I don't like numbers on the right hand side of the equal to sign, so I move everything towards left so I can only have 0 on the right hand side. So then what I do is that I say x squared minus x minus 44, and I subtract 12 from both sides. So I did minus 12, so I got to do the same thing on the right hand side. So essentially this 2 will cancel and I'll get 0. So x squared minus x 44 and then 12 is 56. 56 is equal to 0. So this is the state of equation which I would like to see. I would like to see just x squared by itself, x with the coefficient by itself, 56, a constant value by itself, and everything on the right hand side of the equal to sign should be 0. All right, so no rocket science over here. Let's see if we can find out what is the coefficient associated with x squared. A, which is 1, coefficient associated with x, the linear x, is minus 1, and constant is equal to negative 56. So far so good, no rocket science. Then I use the big X technique. So literally I draw the big X right here. Over here I have A times C. This is B, okay? A times C is 1 multiplied by minus 56, which is minus 56 right here. And this right here, B, is negative 1. Now, you got to find two numbers. If you multiply those two numbers, you get minus 56. If you add those two numbers, it's minus 1. Boom, right away think 8 times 7. 8 times 7 is 56, right? And if I 8 times 8 minus 7 is 1. So I can use 8 times 7, which is 56, and 8 minus 7 is equal to 1, right? So then this position right here, I can say minus 8, and this right here, 7. So this is the beauty of big X. Everything is visible. When you're solving a problem, visibility is really important for me. So this big X gives me visibility. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if we can say x squared minus 8x plus 7x minus 56 is equal to 0. Minus 8x plus 7x gives me minus x, which is same as this. Let's go ahead and do factorization. Factors for this and factors for this. I take x common. I get x minus 8 here. Plus I take 7 common. I get x minus 8. X minus 8 here. Okay. So then my one answer, x plus 7 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 7. That's my one answer for x. And the second one, x minus 8 is equal to 0. X is equal to 8. So how's that? So pretty straightforward. You know, I like the big X technique because it really, the reason I like it because I can write down the numbers, and I can kind of visible from these numbers are visible to me, so I can kind of make my mind a little bit less work by writing things around. So they say that, you know, when you're solving a physics problem, picture speaks 1,000 words. You always draw a diagram. Okay, I have a lot of lessons under my collections. I have lessons on physics, I have lessons on calculus, I have lessons on electrical circuits, I have lessons on statistics, I have lessons on mental math. Check it out. There's a lot of knowledge. Okay, and I'm more than happy to share with everyone. Take care of yourself. Till next time.